This Thursday, we have a choice about what kind of country we want to call home. This is about our future, about people living and working side by side in a vibrant, outward-facing Wales. This year's European elections are about what can be achieved when we work together. Together, we can secure a future that strengthens our industries, invests in our communities, and works for the many. Welsh businesses have traded with our closest neighbours for centuries. Today, Welsh steel is used to build cars which we then sell to the world. Our farmers trade our beef and lamb with countries across the continent.
We need good relationships with Europe in order to trade and keep farms like ours going.
Relationships like these are crucial for our country, and we must work with our trading partners to keep them intact.
Labour is committed to Europe. Whatever the future holds, Welsh Labour will work hard to make sure that we go on having a close relationship with the European Union and all its member states. We've put forward a Brexit plan that protects our economy, and Labour guarantees that Wales would not lose a penny of the funding that comes from Europe, just as we were promised in the referendum. If Labour cannot get changes in the UK government's failed plan, and if we are denied a general election, then of course, the decision must go back to the people.
Despite the efforts of the Tories in Westminster to hold us back, we have worked hard to make a real difference in people's lives. We've used EU funding to support jobs, training and investment in our communities. 20 years ago, there were almost as many people without qualifications as there were university graduates in Wales. Today, nearly 40% of people in Wales have degrees or equivalent, and less than 10% have no qualifications.
This is the progress that can be achieved with Welsh Labour.
Regardless of how you voted in the referendum, leave or remain, no one voted to make Wales poorer or isolated in the world.
In this election, we can send Labour representatives to the European Parliament to make sure that we tackle climate change, that we take on people who are evading taxes and make sure we protect your rights. Every vote for Labour in this election will mean that you will be stopping the hard right from taking power in the European Parliament. So vote Labour in this election.
Welsh Labour will bring people together to deliver for our country's future. Vote Welsh Labour on the 23rd of May to bring people together.